Hi, I am Warren in SpaceONE project. Our SpaceONE project is working for developing platform to managing multi-cloud environments. SpaceONE discovers cloud resources and classify them with project units. Then we can play with cloud resources to manage, automate and analyze. We are gradually expanding our supported provider. So if you want climb aboard spaceship. Let me show you SpaceONE console. This is our console login. You can integrate your company's existed credentials to log in or create new users for that console. This is main dashboard. In this area you can see all of the status of company's cloud resources. We have segmented our cloud resources by compute, database, storage and cost, and then stored statistics per day and monthly. SpaceONE console make you easier consolidation about cloud resources and costs. This let you get more insight about your status of clouds. To check every changes, you can check daily updates. If you want to see detailed status, just click on them. They are all linked with our own query engine. Through our region widget, you can see regional status of cloud resources. Our AWS Trusted Advisor widget gathers together all information from multiple accounts and integrate them with single view. In that widget, manager can check and act on best practices proposed by AWS in real time within the company or within the project they manage. And projects sorted by count of cloud resources are listed below. Next, I want to share you how SpaceONE manage cloud resources in more detail. SpaceONE has a powerful functionality of cloud resource management. In our console, all of the multi-cloud server information are managed together. And their related resources like tags, disk, networks and security groups can be also managed at once. In every pieces of tables, we place search bar. Our search bar suggests all attributes of data collected. So you will easily search and link to each resources. Anything too curious about your cloud resources? Query to SpaceONE search bar. And we do support table customizing. So you can easily make modifications about your views to make your data more visible. And also all of data placed in each table can be exported to Excel. Customize your view and make your operation work simple and easy. The collected resources information is in addition to static information such as hostname, IP address and server type. Dynamic monitoring metric information such as CPU, memory, network bandwidth or load balancer connection count is required. SpaceONE allows you to view these real-time data by integrating it with asset information. Through our monitoring tab in every resources, you can see and compare real-time metric data from multiple data sources like Oz CloudWatch, Azure Monitoring, and Google Stackdriver. Not like other solutions, our SpaceONE discover and classify various multi-cloud resources. Collected resources can be managed by providers, service, category and regions. And after that they are searchable and visualized by related services. If you're curious about your resource status, just type in keywords like EC2, VPC, and RDS. Of course, detailed status of each service is linked smoothly, and their related resources like Auto Scaling Group and AMI is served together. To export your collected data for making reports, just click Excel button. Our cloud resources are managed on a per-project basis. The project tree can reflect your company organization or business. In that tree, you can freely create or modify project group. Let us go inside detail status of projects. Project Dashboard have a various widget about your specific service. It's about categorized status of cloud resources. Overall status of cloud costs, they can be viewed by day or monthly. Using our AWS Personal Health Dashboard widget, you can check scheduled maintenance about your service easily if you just click on them. Name of the event and affected resources can be viewed together. Like the other widgets in console, you will see detailed status by link. The membership management is supported in Project Dashboard. By clicking Member tab and Add button, you can manage your project member who is allowed to join. SpaceONE Marketplace is heart of ecosystem. Using our plugin architecture, developers can upload their plugins to Marketplace. There are various kinds of plugins which support multiple cloud providers. To use plugin, just click Plugin, name it and select version. Collector created. This collector will discover and classify your cloud resources automatically. You can also modify when to collect your resources. Collecting action can be scheduled hourly, or you can run them manually. Next is our management features. SpaceONE shares detailed collection status with users. This let user manage their own domain by themselves. In Collector History page, administrator can search which job is successful or failing. They can also audit detailed status of collecting jobs. One of the most frequent reason would be credential. In that case, it would be useful to find out which account has failed and what policy is needed. Optimizing cost is the essential management job. One of the most commonly used case is turn-off instance which is not servicing. In SpaceONE, user can schedule easily which workload to disable while not used. User can not only schedule unused resources but also estimate how much cost are saved. User can designate virtual group, named resource group, then make them schedule their status of instances. To play with our cloud resources, user can use API or command line interface, so they can make their extensions. Check out our API doc and find out which data is useful for your environment. To support using API key management is also available. This is our CLI named SpaceCTL. Operator or power user can use this tool to manage cloud resources more conveniently. Just install it through pip. If you interested in our project, talk to our support channel. support@spaceone.dev. You can easily get your demo environments and more details of our product. Getting involved as our developer? It would be awesome. Visit our GitHub, SpaceONE-dev, and give a star if you interested. Thanks.